This is the wireless speaker known as the BOSENT 287. This is the on and off, volume up, volume down, and the mode. USB micro cable, SDXC card slot, USB-A port, and a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary port. Left and right speakers on both sides, lights on both sides, lights all around here going up and around on both sides. When we turn the unit on,
Bluetooth mode.
We're in Bluetooth mode. If we hit this button here, which is the mode, it'll go to radio. You'll hear static. Now, what we're going to do is go to the application, the Wi-Fi's Bluetooth, and set it up. It's known as the BOSENT 287. It takes a couple of seconds to set up. We're going to load a radio station of our own and play it for you. We're going to raise up the music. As it will play the music, you can increase the volume on here, decrease the volume. If you want to get your own radio station, you could do so by the mode. We have an SDXC card. We're going to find a slot down over here, slide it in, facing upward. Going to turn the unit on. And that is how the unit works. You can listen to music anywhere you want, raise it, lower the volume, tape deck, cassette deck, whatever you could put this up to. If you want to hook it up to a microphone and talk through it, you can as well. I hope this product of the wireless BOSENT 287 Bluetooth with the different light modes and microphone, so forth, may be something that you're looking for. Each of the buttons of the unit, when in FM mode, you want to short press the button and that will start to search for the radio stations. Pressing the on and off switch twice should change the colors of the... Oh, we got a phone call. A double press of the mode button will change the lights. Quick presses they gotta be.
Bluetooth mode.
This unit will be something that will allow music hours on end. I hope this product is something that you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker. Enjoy your product.